Everyday driving often brings annoying problems: messy seats, dead phone batteries, unsafe driving conditions, or even losing small essentials. But don't worry. Today we'll show you 10 must-have car gadgets that solve these problems instantly and make your driving smarter, safer, and more enjoyable. Let's get started. Number 1. Seat Side Organizer. Things often slip between your seat and the console. Phones, wallets, keys, all hard to reach and distracting. The Seat Side Organizer solves this by filling the gap and adding smart storage. You can keep your phone, cards, coins, and other essentials neatly organized. No more losing items while driving. And the best part? It costs only $9.99. Keep everything within easy reach and drive stress-free. Number 2. HUD Display. Looking down at your dashboard while driving can be risky. The HUD Display projects your speed, navigation, and warnings directly onto your windshield. That means your eyes stay on the road at all times. It improves safety and looks futuristic too. With a price of just $16.99, it's a stylish upgrade every driver will love. Number 3. Car Diagnostic Tool. Car issues often appear without warning, and mechanics can charge you heavily just for inspections. The Car Diagnostic Tool plugs into your OBD2 port and instantly shows error codes on your phone. You'll know exactly what's wrong, saving time and money. For only $38.99, you get peace of mind and control over your car's health. Number 4. Portable Freezer. Long trips often mean warm drinks and spoiled snacks. A portable freezer keeps your food and beverages fresh and cool, even during hot summer drives. Compact yet powerful, it's perfect for camping, road trips, or tailgating. At $218.99, it brings comfort and convenience on every adventure. Number 5. Emergency Strobe Light. A breakdown or flat tire at night can put you at risk if other drivers don't see you. The emergency strobe light makes you instantly visible from far away, ensuring safety. Easy to mount and super bright, it can even be used in bad weather. And it's just $23.99. Cheap insurance for your safety. Number 6. Car Door Cup Holder. Ever struggle with limited cup space? Drinks tipping over while driving? The car door cup holder gives you an extra spot for drinks or bottles right by your seat. It's sturdy, easy to install, and prevents spills. For only $18.99, it adds a simple but useful convenience. Number 7. COVERDO Seat Covers. Spills, dirt, and daily wear make your car seats look old fast. COVERDO seat covers protect them with a stylish, durable design. They're waterproof, easy to clean, and come in multiple styles to refresh your car's interior. Priced around $167.99, they keep your seats looking brand new. Number 8. 4-in-1 Car Charger. Low battery is a driver's worst nightmare, especially on long trips. The 4-in-1 car charger lets you charge multiple devices at once, fast and safely. Phones, tablets, GPS, all powered together. Compact and reliable, it's only $23.99, making it a travel essential. Number 9. Headrest Tablet Holder. Long drives with kids often lead to boredom and endless questions. The headrest tablet holder turns the back seat into an entertainment hub. Mount your tablet and let passengers enjoy movies, games, or learning apps hands-free. At $16.99, it's perfect for peaceful, distraction-free driving. Number 10. Sunglasses Holder. Scratched or lost sunglasses are frustrating, especially on sunny days. The sunglasses holder clips neatly to your visor, keeping your shades safe and within reach. No more fumbling or damage, and it's just $11.99, an affordable fix for a daily problem. These 10 car gadgets solve everyday driving problems, from safety to comfort and convenience. Which one would you get first? Comment below. And if you want us to review a new product, let us know. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing car gadget reviews.